Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff, a breathtaking vista unfolding before you. The path ahead is uncertain, filled with challenges and unknowns, but it's also a path to greatness, a chance to break free from the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. In this video, we will discuss the importance of courage, discipline, and confronting inner demons to embark on this transformative journey. We'll explore how solitude can be a gift, how to break free from toxic influences, and how to replace limiting beliefs with positive action. The lonely path isn't easy, but those who walk it emerge stronger, with a clear purpose and the power to change their lives and the world. The price of greatness. Success doesn't come easy. It demands sacrifices, often in the form of solitude. In a world filled with distractions and constant noise, the lonely path is a time for introspection and deep work. It's a chance to shed old habits, redefine yourself, and reconnect with your true purpose. Breaking free from toxic influences. To thrive on this path, you must be ruthless in your pursuit of peace. Surround yourself with positive influences, people who uplift and inspire you. Let go of toxic relationships and distractions that drain your energy. Remember, the people you choose to spend time with shape who you become. The power of solitude. Solitude isn't a punishment, it's a gift. It's a chance to rediscover your inner voice, the one that gets drowned out by the constant chatter of everyday life. Take time for yourself, whether it's through a quiet walk, meditation, or simply sitting in silence. This is where your dreams begin to take flight. Conquering limiting beliefs. The lonely path is a battle against limiting beliefs and self-doubt. Challenge your inner critic and replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Let go of what's holding you back, even if it means parting ways with familiar habits or people. Building a strong foundation. This journey is about building a strong foundation for your future. Set clear goals, manage your energy effectively, and plan your journey with intention. Where do you want to be in 5 years? What legacy do you want to leave behind? The rewards of transformation. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are immense. Those who emerge from the lonely path are often the most remarkable individuals, innovators, entrepreneurs, and visionaries. They understand that greatness requires sacrifice and a deep connection to oneself. Conclusion. The lonely path is a transformative experience. It's a time to reflect, recharge, and reimagine your life. When you emerge from this period, you'll be equipped to not only achieve your own goals, but also to help others on their journey. Remember, solitude is not your enemy. It's your gateway to a brighter future. Embrace it, protect your peace, and build yourself so you can build a better world.